Okay, it's a legal entity. It's a legal company. Fiscal or tax report. So next is operating unit. You know that the operating unit only will work on it. Okay. So operating unit is like a branches. You work in various branch or various name or country name you can have. So there is a profile option set for the operating unit. Okay. What is profile option? Profile option is nothing but in a mobile phone. You will have various profile you can set according to your wish. So MO operating profile when you set for a creation of a new operating. Okay. This is for multi-organ. Next is inventory organization. You will detail study in the supply chain. HR organization, that is also a set. Okay, these are all general. So how the information flow across organization? Okay, once you set up the enterprise, the flex field definition. What is flex field? Combination of sectors. Supplier header, customer header, everything at the operating unit level only. Master will be Chakra. To set up you already seen how to set the organization, accounting setup, balancing segment, location, business group, responsibility, and all. Okay. So these are the steps they given as a setup. So what you understand theoretically is how the ledger, how a consultants can plan to implement it. Okay. Ledger is a container of all accounting related information. Design in a operating way, keep it hold. It has many ledger can be there. It has a format, it has a rules, additional information also. Well-planned design ledger can save a lot of time. You have a segments minimum 2 and maximum 30. Sorry. So 2 to 30, it's a consultant to define the minimum segments. If you go for a maximum, it is more complicated. That's what they say. Okay. MS report, that and all the FSG report is there. Okay. So everything is a combined of ledger. Ledger is having 4C, chart of account, calendar, currency, and accounting method. What is chart of account? Chart of account, you know that chart of account consists of in accounting journal, what is description captured in the chart of account. Calendar, it's a normal calendar. Okay. Currency, list of currency customer is having the business. Currency default in Oracle, world level, whatever currency is there, it will come into you. Okay. Any doubt up to now?